just tap here. It will create a page for you. Congratulations, your online store is created. Are you a reseller and want own website but you do not have cost of web hosting or domain charges? So in this video I am going to provide you free way to get e-com website on Amazon only. So let's go to my PC and see how you can get this free e-commerce website. So this is an example of a free website which you will get. You can see everything is added. You will get a URL like this, smartbiz.in / this is your URL. So this is by Amazon only, so it is very trusted. You can see you can add your product here like this, and you can simply, anyone will go there and simply click on any product here, and you can simply add this product to cart, and they can enter any delivery code like this. It is by Amazon only, so I will just show you an example. So it is free of cost and it will be delivered in 3 to 5 days. And you can simply view card, and every payment is also secure, can be purchased from here. You can see address is added. So how to do it? What you need to do, you need to open this URL, smartcommerce.amazon.in. so this is Amazon's offer only, this smart commerce by Amazon only. So herein you need to click on sign up for free. So everything is free. If you are a reseller, then everything is free. You can simply sign up here. You can add your product here, and you can simply start selling your product here. You can enter your mobile number here, and you can start making purchases. You can click on continue. So you can log in with your email ID or your phone number, and herein you can enter your store name. Start doing this process. You can see I just entered my store name and I got this URL. So just enter like this, and I got this tech product seller. Click on next, and herein you need to enter your location and everything, your phone number, location, everything you need to add here. So accept this terms and condition and click on next after filling this form, and it is very easy process. You can simply select any niche which you want. So do this process. I am currently yes, I am currently selling online or offline. If you are not, you can click on no. Just click on no. If you do not, if you are not selling, if you are new to this, you can click on no. It will, you can see this is a very good tag page is created for me. What your business size is, you can mention here. No coding themes specify. You can select which platform you are collecting. I do not sell any. If you are new, you can click on this. If you are selling it, just tap here. It will create a page for you. Congratulations, your online store is created. So it is very easy, and herein you can find your orders, your everything, view your website. Just tap on this. It will show up your website here, and you can simply add your products here. Website created, and I need to add my products here. This is a blank website given to me, and now I need to go here, and I need to click on catalogs and start adding my products here. Click on add a product, and you need to upload your file image here. You need to then, after uploading your image, you need to click on product description. You need to add description here, and after that you need to add features, whatever features they have, and then at last you need to advanced information, whatever advanced information you have. So everything will be there. SEO optimized content will be given, and after that just need to click on add product. That is very easy, and after that it will display here in this your category. So I hope friends, now you will be able, you can see this is my URL, tech product seller, smartbiz at tech product seller. So I just created in front of you. So it is very easy. Just need to add images and description of your you will get your order details here, your analytics here. You can add everything, your contact number here. You can check your growth here. Everything is there. It's a free of cost, no hosting charges, nothing. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it, and it is very easy. Any one can do it without any coding. I hope friends, now you will be able to get a free e-com website. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.